Finding the perfect tires for your Ford Fusion can feel overwhelming, especially when you want safety and performance on the road. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Aliexpress TPMS Tire Pressure Sensors. Let's kick things off with the Aliexpress TPMS Tire Pressure Sensors. Priced at just $28.99, these sensors immediately caught my eye because they promise easy installation and compatibility with a wide range of Ford models, including your Fusion. If you want to maintain optimal tire pressure and avoid costly accidents, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These sensors are pre-programmed and designed to provide real-time monitoring with an accuracy of plus or minus 1.5 psi, which means you can keep your tires at the perfect pressure without the hassle. With a measuring range of 0 to 150 psi, they're reliable for everyday driving. Plus, they're made to last up to 5 to 8 years under normal conditions, which means you won't have to think about replacing them anytime soon. Now, some people complained about the installation process. Here's the thing though, if you're somewhat handy or willing to follow the instructions, it's totally manageable. Just be sure to check if your original sensor's OE number matches before purchasing. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking to save time and money on maintenance. Skip this one if you prefer professional installation or if you're not comfortable dealing with car sensors. For the price, it really offers great value. Now, if the Aliexpress installation process sounds daunting, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more user-friendly setup. Product number 2. Gearmeister TPMS Sensors. The Gearmeister TPMS sensors available for $32.59. This product stood out to me because it's designed for the latest Ford models, including the Fusion from 2017 to 2021. If you want a solid solution that promises longevity and reliability, this one's definitely worth considering. What makes this sensor a great choice is its powerful automotive-grade battery, which lasts 5 to 8 years, or about 90,000 to 120,000 kilometers. That means you won't have to worry about replacing it anytime soon. It's compatible with a range of Ford and Lincoln vehicles, and the direct fit design makes installation a breeze. Plus, it operates well in extreme temperatures, from -40 degrees Celsius to positive 125 degrees Celsius, so it's ready for whatever climate you're driving in. Now, some reviews noted that it might not sync easily with all older models, but honestly, if you're driving a newer Fusion, you shouldn't face many issues. Just make sure you have the right tools for activation and monitoring. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable tire pressure sensor that lasts. Skip this one if you drive an older Fusion model or if you're not ready to handle DIY installation. For its features, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize durability. Product number 3. Know-How TPMS Sensors. The Know-How TPMS sensors caught my attention for their OEM exact fit for various Ford models, including the Fusion. If you're looking for a sensor that guarantees precision and easy installation, you should definitely check this out. These sensors are pre-programmed for multiple Ford models and are designed to handle all sorts of driving conditions thanks to their IP67 waterproof rating. They can withstand extreme temperatures and are built to last. What's particularly impressive is their ability to self-learn within 8 miles of driving, which makes installation hassle-free as long as you follow the guidelines. With a high measurement accuracy, it's truly designed for the safety-conscious driver. However, some users reported issues with false alerts. Here's the thing, if you regularly monitor your tire pressure, these alerts can be easily corrected. Just ensure to pair them correctly after installation. This is perfect for you if you want a low-maintenance tire pressure solution that doesn't skimp on quality. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with the initial setup or if you're not driving a compatible Ford model. Given its performance, it's a great deal. Now, if you want something even more robust in terms of features, let's look at our next product. Product number 4. G-Sung TPMS sensors. We have the G-Sung TPMS sensors at a price of $24.99. This product captured my interest because it promises a straightforward installation process and compatibility with a wide array of Ford vehicles, including your Fusion. If you want value without compromising quality, this might be your best bet. These sensors come pre-programmed and are designed to last for up to 5 to 8 years with proper care. They're compatible with numerous Ford and Lincoln models, making them a flexible option if you own more than one vehicle. The big selling point? They undergo rigorous quality control, ensuring you can trust them. On the downside, the manual pairing process can be a bit tricky. But honestly, once you follow the instructions, it's fairly straightforward and shouldn't be a deal breaker if you're somewhat handy. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a good balance of cost and functionality. Skip this one if you need immediate installation or if you're uncomfortable with the pairing process. For the price, it's a steal. Alright, that was an impressive choice, but if you want something cutting edge, the next product could be just what you need. Product number 5. Pump Boat TPMS sensors. Let's talk about the Pump Boat TPMS sensors, priced at $39.89. This product stood out because of its advanced features and compatibility with newer Ford models, including the Fusion. If you want a top-tier option that offers reliability and tech-savvy performance, this is definitely worth a look. These sensors boast an accuracy of plus or minus 1% and provide real-time temperature and pressure readings. The battery life is industry-leading at over 5 years, which is fantastic for those who want peace of mind without constant replacements. Plus, they're built to survive extreme weather conditions, with an operational range from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 257 degrees Fahrenheit. However, some users noted that the installation requires professional tools, which can be a hassle. But honestly, if you're serious about quality and don't mind seeking professional help for installation, you'll appreciate the reliability this product offers. This is perfect for you if you want high performance and durability in your tire pressure monitoring system. Skip this one if you're looking for something DIY friendly or if you're on a tight budget. Given the quality and features, it's worth it for many drivers. So there you have it, 5 great tire pressure sensor options for your Ford Fusion. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Gearmeister TPMS sensors because of their long-lasting battery and overall reliability. Avoid the Pump Boat if you're looking for something easier to install. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.